18-hour statewide total shutdown called by various prescribed outfits against merger of Manipur with the Indian Union on this day in 1949 affects normal life in Imphal Valley. Governor Najma Heptullah gives warm reception to Chief Minister and Biren upon being included in India's best 3 chief ministers. Garbage piles up in Imphal city with locals refusing disposal of waste at Lamding Solid Waste Management Plant. And MLA Oinam El Radha Kishore assures construction of ring road around Loktak Lake will not affect Oinam constituency. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtum bringing you the top stories. The 18th hour statewide total shutdown called by Coordination Committee Corcom of Prescribed Outfits, KCP, KYKL, Pripak Probe, RPF and UNLF and other underground outfits against the merger of Manipur with the Indian Union on this day in 1949 affected normal life in the state. The day is observed as the Black Day in protest against the Manipur merger agreement signed between Maharaja Bodh Chandra of Manipur and Government of India at Shillong on September 21, 1949. Educational institutes and all business establishments, major markets, including Khairamban Bazaar, Pauna Bazaar, Thangal Bazaar, MG Avenue remain closed. Passenger vehicles remained off the roads. The day is also being observed as a Black Day even in the state of Tripura. It may be mentioned that on the same day, Tripura also merged with the Indian Union following the Tripura merger agreement of September 9, 1949, signed between Princess Kanchan Prava Devi of Tripura and the Indian government. Crippled normal life in Bishnupur district. Shops remained closed and few private vehicles were seen on the road. There is no report of any untoward incident. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah accorded Chief Minister and Biren a warm reception today at Raj Bhavan upon being included in the top 3 India's best chief ministers as per India Today's survey report. The governor lauded Chief Minister and Biren as Manipur's best chief minister and expressed contentment over the chief minister's achievement. Praising all developmental works of the present government in its 1.5 years of rule, Governor Najma Heptullah asserted that Manipur is now popular not only in India but even in the neighboring countries. The governor disclosed about a proposal from a foreign-based private company for setting up a solar power plant in Loktak Lake, for which she has asked to submit a proper project first.
In 1.5 years, a lot of work is being done. The progressive program which the state government under his leadership has taken is going forward. The state government under the leadership of the Chief Minister is working to promote tourism development and also the hospitality industry, in which new hotels have to come. People are coming over here to look what are the possibilities. People are asking me, there is someone who will be coming to open nursing college over here for the children. There are people who are talking about the Loktak Lake. I had a meeting yesterday with someone who is coming from Delhi and they want to use the solar energy around the Loktak and they don't want the state government to spend the money, only they need the permission.
Chief Minister and Biren has attributed his recent achievement to the public. Speaking in the reception program, Biren said that he took the challenge to work for the welfare of the public, keeping his pledge taken on the day he became Chief Minister of the BJP-led state government. The Chief Minister said he never considered for such a survey by India today. Biren maintained he has been working for the welfare of the people under the guidance and appreciation of the governor and further assured of doing the same in future. While responding to media queries, Chief Minister Biren said the government is trying to find a way for an unconditional release of the arrested teachers and students of Manipur University. He also expressed disappointment over handcuffing of a professor in judicial custody while taking him for treatment to a hospital. He assured that the concerned department has been instructed to investigate whether the incident actually occurred and if so to take necessary disciplinary actions.
Works for the peoples, working with peoples. Prajagi thabak, Prajaga punna tawba haiba du magi mission. Wakhala maingonda dum sorna piraga, hongal laga haurakpane. But I never thought that this type of survey will be done, this side of things will be done. I never counted and I never thought of it. But I try my best that my people should be happy. Whatever recognition nama piraiba, tawraiba punamakse, it's not my credit. It's the credit. Say this goes to the people of the state. Rest of my life also I will try to work for the people of the state with the guidance of Madam and other colleagues. The state government is almost helpless, but we're trying to find out the way of how to release them so that no further complicacy or agitations comes again.
Residents of 27 wards under IMC are facing inconveniences since the ban on waste disposal at solid waste management plant by locals of Lamding Kunau on October 10th. Impact News spoke with NGOs involved in collecting garbages in the 27 wards and also came across their garbage collecting vehicles fully loaded. Members of the NGOs intimated that since the ban on disposal of waste at Lamding Solid Waste Management Plant, there are no other dumping sites and as such, their vehicles have been laying fully loaded with dirt for almost a week now. Impact News came across piled up dirt collected from markets at IMC office premises. Many dirts were also last seen heaps of garbage at various localities, Pauna and Thankal markets, necessitating a proper waste disposal site.
Municipal Corporation in Makata Lady working the one to one by NGO sing some Naraga, door to door collection, waste collection towards Silepakpa, October Gitang, Tara, the Ging, a significant Missouri.
When a Pajariba white location, the Yogriba, Quaki labor, watching to the Pajariba, Imunsindu was 6 days, a question to get later. Gomena, Kanasona video, Aquina to send Jong the Natogari, the heck Yabagasu, Aquina Hariba, Lemahuriba, Yum, the Lahudaba Mam, the Hui, Lakranaba, Ayundan, Katanakoi Hona Zaraga, Mayam gaining but Tunabakoi Hona Zagadoni.
We see a quay amor Akai Tokpam Sulay, a quay on the problem in a lady, Ya the government gets side tigi, and Makara arrangement of Duna, Sigi Amorakai Mayam say, or Loktopa in time, Sang Nine Aganoto Winava Kanganjari.
Manipur People's Democratic Front in a press release strongly condemned handcuffing of former registrar in charge of Manipur University, Professor S. Dorendrajit, like a criminal while he was being taken from Sajiwa jail for treatment at JN Hospital. MLA Oinam L. Radhakishore, who is also the chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, has assured that construction of a ring road around Loktak Lake will not trespass Oinam constituency. MLA Radhakishore was speaking at the distribution of National Food Security Card for beneficiaries of Ward number 6 in the constituency held at Oinam Water Supply, Haraubung today, asserting that Loktak Lake is the sole source of livelihood for the people of Oinam constituency. The MLA assured of enhancing resources given by the lake. Eklavya Model Residential Schools set up at Moray in Technopole District and at Tamenglong and Gamnom Serpamaina are unable to function properly due to lack of recurring fund for 2018-19. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary General of Tadao Students Association Headquarter Michael Lamjathang Haukip said that the 3 residential schools functioned under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. He alleged the state government of withholding recurring fund for the year 2018-19 sanctioned by the ministry, leading to disruption in normal functioning of the schools. He also mentioned that eatable items and uniforms of students of the 3 schools are no longer provided by the suppliers as they were not paid capitals for 6 months. He alleged the Tribal Affairs Department and the Finance Department for putting the matter on each other regarding the sanctioned recurring fund. The associations urged the state government to release the fund by tomorrow, considering the plights facing the students.
State government la kansida Tribal Affairs ne Finance Department makhoina paisa percentage pambagi adum delay tactics thame hetang makhoi gi motuga sigumba paisa khara chawbani na makhoi satra gi paisa ni haina khandre civil works atopa topa gumna khalaga percentage pio haina muk nibudu akhoi suga yaningde karigumba sigumma se tanja chana timely makhoi sigumba release to bidragadi akhoi na loin mak kana na department Tribal Affairs oisanu Finance Department oiragasu mantri mandol kana oiragasu akhoi na mamang chahi dagi adum sigi EMRS gi fund gi matang sida kana na paisa kaya chabge haine akhoina sigi se expose to
MLA Technopol Assembly constituency the Korungthang inaugurated a health and wellness center under Ayushman Bharat at Khudaikunau village in Chandal district today. Speaking in the event organized by District Health Society Chandal, MLA Korungthang advised that prevention is better than cure. He asserted that the Health and Wellness Center was opened to give adequate medical treatment to patients. Director of District Health Society Chandal, State Nodal Officer, Health and Wellness Center, and many people attended the event. The 3-day acute critical care course jointly organized by International Healthcare famed RCPA's Glasgow College, some of India's top healthcare institutes and Association of Surgeons of India, ASI, Manipur concluded today. Internationally acclaimed doctors demonstrated junior surgery doctors on how to treat critical emergency patients and also taught them skills related to diagnosis of acute patients, treatment procedures and dealing with worst case scenarios during the course held at Jennings Department of Surgery in Porumpad.
To address very specific training needs that people might have in the field of healthcare, particularly in areas of acute illness. We are very aware that there is a wide variation in the care patients get when they become acutely unwell. And as people would know, that is not acceptable. When people come to hospitals unwell, they expect to be treated and get the maximum treatment, because small errors can lead to big mistakes. So in this area, the university is very committed to working with the hospitals and our colleagues across the world, particularly in India, to address any specific training needs that we.
An awareness campaign in connection with Global Hand Washing Day 2018 was launched during the Imphal evenings yesterday. Managing Director of CJ Hospital and Research Institute, Dr. Kate Paulin urged all to inculcate the habit of hand washing and to maintain hand hygiene to ward off various infections. He maintained that hand washing is the least expensive way to control infections. He also stressed the need for hospitals to take necessary precautions. An awareness street play directed by Rohini Kumar was performed by Nokpade artists on the occasion.
Anghang sing sak sama matamda natakai mamsa matamda makul hamde madugi du mama ampana kansas oidabadagini aduna amadagi amadagi changpa sina infection si lakhibani aduna high posi awareness si apai urban da natana periphery de su am chauna pihaningi saponda tongan ba detergent ma yauri khutki surface sida akut play yamna microscope de yengma matamda khangani sigi sida koi mahik si changchalaga le ada high posi sumna isingna thadokpada di moi chatloi sapon yaudagadi effective oide habani samjamna ising sida mu phadragadi hamdu ibra hamjal ibra ju koi khangaroi da ising si phabam sangi Manipur ki population 30 lakh population se makut hamuk taragadi huge quantum of water good water se darkar lai dori achauba responsibility ni PhD.
District Magistrate Imphal West, in a press release, informed that ban has been imposed on sale and bursting of firecrackers during Durga Puja celebration in Imphal West District under CRPC Section 14, Subsection 2. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on the tragic life of acclaimed music teacher, Oja Bhagirath. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Acclaimed music teacher Oja Bhagirath, bound by life's tragedy, is sparing the life of a homeless man. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News Bishnupur District correspondent Naresh.
Oja Bhagirath was born in 1953 at Kainau in Bishnupur District. He is the fourth child among the 8 siblings. He started learning music from Sangeet Upadhi Bhushan awardee Oja Ibo Pichak from Kongbar Laishram Lekai in 1975. He attained Visarat from Bhatkhande Sangeet Vidyapit, Lucknow in 1986. After getting Visarat, students from nook and corners of the state started coming to Oja Bhagirath for music class.
Mating I wanted to Panganatre, Bantarubugi, College me Himabana, I don't know them among I. Mashidega had the Kayimba, Adding Hamo Bigi Wapam later.
Oja Bhagirath's family of 6 met with an unfortunate accident in 2015, where his wife and son were critically injured. The incident succumbed the family to poverty. His son cannot take any heavy work with an iron cast inside his leg. Adding more to the misery, the earthquake of April 2016 crashed their home.
Major operation brain operation operation
Oja Bhagirath and his family has been taking refuge since then at Oinam Kainau Gram Panchayat Cooperative Society office. Despite Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision to provide home for all by 2022 and assurances from Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren himself on Miyamgi Numit, Oja Bhagirath is still living a homeless life.
Housing scheme, Mayama, Tobina, Tajan, Mamani, Pansai, housing Pansai, Tajan, Madugi Pausi, probably one.
Even after repeated submission of necessary documents for a housing scheme, following instructions during a go-to-village program, no actions are taken by the relevant department till date. Oja Bhagirath awaits response from the government patiently with his miseries. This is Joyce Rusham for Impact News, Bishnupur correspondent Naresh.
Socialist Students' Union of Manipur warned of intense agitation if the construction of Ras Leela platform by the state government inside Kangla is not terminated at the earliest. Executive members of Past Pupil Association PPA of Little Flower School LFS Sangai Pro extended financial assistance to Maishnam Usharani, surviving on dialysis after both kidneys failure. 43-year-old Maishnam Usharani from Wangkhai Yonglan Lairak lost her husband Maishnam Ramananda from kidney failure early this year. Speaking to media, Usharani said she was diagnosed with kidney failure in 2016. She disclosed that she got a kidney transplant in Chandigarh PGI hospital in March 2017 after selling her properties. However, the kidney transplant failed due to rejection by her body. She has been surviving on dialysis 3 times a week since then. It is an unfortunate turn of the event. Her husband was also diagnosed with both kidney failure while consulting doctors for kidney donation for her. Usharani mentioned that her husband once attended Chief Minister's Miyamgi Numit and got opportunity for free dialysis, but it could not be availed as they do not possess BPL card. Out of her 3 children. Usharani's eldest daughter of 20 years is supporting the family, and her treatment is a meager income earned by working as a private school teacher.
Government is a manak that's a lurabane. Bawaling Ida, Unavakan, the mana free dialysis, free dialysis, either can't sarat manak that's a lurakan to the mana, BPL so to the Diadi and Hide. I could be built the dick by hodre. Dialysis, free dialysis to Pangre. High to high to the Chebina, but me to late, Hujixi. Aduga. No, Emily Manactas Alacandro, hire a candidate Emilena, Dishigi through the guitar Gamana, Jenims the Priam of Pangalise, Simongai.
Despite his poor financial condition, Mashnam Shyam, elder brother of late Ramananda, is eager to help Usharani and her children. Shyam is facing great difficulties in trying to meet the ends of both his and his late brother's family. He expressed disappointment that, except for a one-time free dialysis offered by MLAUI school out of the 3 dialysis for a week, there is no assistance from the government so far. He drew attention of the state government to help the ailing patient and her family.
Sarkagi saitagi yengba yaba mateng khar pamjai haina aina inaugi natraga icha icha nupi jino kojen jenjaraga mamagi ne haina hingnana bakana hojik so leptana haina kana honajai masibu mayamna sarkagi saitagi sarkana kaina ungtung mateng pangbina haina aina pamjai adu masida kadang injection biu mayam sarkana ai mungjai gi aina leitala ai yum bhar je aina pujabani mungsida inau pi leita nabagi adigi icha gi lai tambagi karigi mayam lei masi kadang yengjanbina aina sarkagi saitagi mateng kadang pamjai ai icha nupi je ma masa tuye makha tamdaba ngamdana ma ji Imphal college da imit tawraga mama gi anabagi site ma ko chen chela lerga I cha je like makha tamdaba ngamdaba dogi ai ma gi mama nabi jing ma gi school gi life ta gi hongner pu mayam jingna ma gi ne haidana mateng pangba mayam lakpi yum sida mama naba mayam jing sang piram dan khaduna mama gi kan laikan na kan honari.
Speaking to media, Vice President of PPA Panthoi Ningombam stated that, considering the grave situation of Usharani, a former student of Little Flower School, 2014 batch, and her little girl, the association members collected some money to offer as financial assistance. She assured of such assistance from PPA for alumni of the school. She also mentioned that the association aims to conduct various health and awareness camps for students in the school. She intimated that alumni enrollment of the school will be conducted soon and urged all former students of the school to participate.
Only graduate tamiba angang ni aduna pumna maksigi burden ma'am sing amnanaba namano honaba matamda mana my friend circle ma'am organization ma'am ate ma'am na sumonda mateng pangbirai pangai ba mateng se sa akoina su akoi angam boy na akoina pausi tajabadagi akoi office bearer sing haibitare office bearer sing sigi personally paisa khara angam bakhara puthokjaraga magi mateng oina khoina tawjabani thabak tawba haiba se akoina fund sangi aduga mayamgi kano ma'am amasu tengbang ma'am amasu sangi adugi damakta akoina akoigi association gi mai dagi haibitare akoigi pass pupil ma'am leiba ma'am sidagi akoina mateng nizari moina mateng tawba matamda we were most welcome. So adugi du tawnabge dangta khoi yamna athubada mass enrollment amasu tawjagena school authorities singsiga tanajari.
Now the sports news. Imphal East emerged as the champion of Manipur Police and Inter-Unit Battalion Football Tournament 2018. In the final match, Imphal East defeated Churachandpur 1-0. The match was played in connection with Manipur Police Rising Day at 2nd Battalion Manipur Rifles ground. The winning goal of Imphal East was scored by jersey number 9, H. Dhanavir in 46 minutes during the second half. Best scorer went to player of Imphal East, H. Dhanavir, best player to Imphal East player K. Benjamin, and best goalkeeper of Churachandpur player Manminthing Lunminthang. The fourth IRB backed the third position of the tournament. Manipur DGP LM Kaute handed over the champion trophy to Imphal East team at the event attended by many top officers of Manipur Police. It may be mentioned that the football tournament, which commenced on July 9th, was organized by 2nd Battalion Manipur Rifles and was participated by 32 teams. Singjamai Kangkhut Chingamathak in a press release informed that the first Oinam Charlie Singh Memorial League cum knockout Kendra-wise Kang tournament 2018 sponsored by Oinam Roman Singh will kick off at Singjamai Gangsang on October 19th. The 43rd Manipur State Senior and 30th Manipur State Sub-Junior Kho-Kho Championship 2018 organized by Salungpham Youth Sporting and Cultural Association since October 10th concluded today. The championship under the aegis of Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association Makha Imphal was held at Salungpham Public Ground. CHMYDA Sangayunpham bagged the championship title and PYDC Kangabok bagged the runners-up title for sub-junior boys category. While in the sub-junior girls category, CHMYDA Sangayunpham emerged as a winner and RUC Kangabok bagged the runners title. In senior men category, Sisdo Hairok emerged as a champion and ASKK A Awang Sekmai bagged the runners-up title, and in the senior women category RUC Kangabok bagged the champion title and SECEA DSO Hairok secured the runners-up title. Altogether, 41 teams comprising of 19 sub-junior boys and girls teams and 22 senior boys and girls team participated in the championship. Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association in a press release informed that the 34th and Hazari and Dr. Antombi State Polo Tournament 2018 has been indefinitely postponed. Silver medalist of first INBA Indian National Championship in junior category, Chabungbam Gonzalez was accorded a warm welcome today. The championship was organized by International Natural Bodybuilder Association India on October 13th at Vasant Nagar, Bangalore, Karnataka. Residents of Sagolban Moirang Leirak organized a reception program and felicitated Gonzalez at his residence. Gonzalez is the son of Chabungbam Romes and Chabungbam Ranibala. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at headlines once again. 18-hour statewide total shutdown called by various prescribed outfits against merger of Manipur with the Indian Union on this day in 1949 affects normal life in Imphal Valley. Governor Najma Heptullah gives warm reception to Chief Minister N. Biren upon being included in India's best 3 chief ministers. Garbage piles up in Imphal city with locals refusing disposal of waste at Lamdeng Solid Waste Management Plant. And MLA Oinam El Radhakishore assures construction of ring road around Loktak Lake will not affect Oinam constituency.